We are VVDN Technologies, a global provider of software, product engineering, electronics manufacturing services and solutions. Having 17 plus years of experience with more than 12,000 people doing electronic product innovation with indigenous design and make capabilities in the domains of adaptive compute and comms, networking and Wi-Fi, IoT, vision and automotive, and cloud and apps, spread across various parts of the globe. VVDN is known for engineering excellence and robust manufacturing, with strong focus on vertical integration. Today, VVDN is the only company in India which has state-of-the-art SMT facilities, unparalleled mechanical tooling, molding, die casting facilities, and metal stamping facilities, extensive product assembly facilities, environment and reliability labs, custom production test suites for automation, best-in-class global innovation park located at Manesar, 11 plus R&D centers spread across various parts of India and the globe. At the SMT facility, we do the electronic PCB assembly of variety of products with standard PCBs all the way to thick copper PCBs. Our mechanical facilities are equipped with CNC, injection molding, pressure die casting, metal stamping and extrusion machines where our team does the most creative, complex designs in a precise manner. Once the PCB electronics and mechanicals are ready, we take them to our product assembly facility where we strictly adhere to DFMA process. We follow a strict quality control check and do the electronics assembly, testing with custom PTS jigs and fixtures, environment testing, packaging, and eventually shipping the products to our global customers. VVDN's R&D and testing is one of the most competitive product testing capabilities and services in the world, creating a benchmark in the industry. Our R&D centers are supported by our world-class labs, our 5G labs, anechoic chamber, reliability test labs, Wi-Fi labs, audio labs, video labs. Product testing and validation chambers enable us to deliver world-class products as per global standards. VVDN, design, make, deliver. Challenging the limits continuously. Delivering global promises consistently. Adapting emerging technologies aggressively. We create, innovate, produce. We